Hello, English 101 students. This is your professor, Michael Bloomingberg, and what we're doing in this video is just going over the assignments for week 5 of the semester. So as always, I'm on Blackboard, and the first place I'm going to go is course content. Same as always. I'm going to go to the week 5 folder. Now last week you worked through the draft plan, and I am currently in the process of reviewing those. I'm hoping to have the feedback to you over the next couple of days. I know many of you are looking forward to that so that it'll help you as you're working through the summary of Naomi Klein's No Logo. So you did the draft plan last week, and the big thing on the agenda this week is the actual draft itself. So we'll start with the assignment sheet. That's always the place to start, and I already have that pulled up. So I'm going to pull it up and we'll take a look at it. So this week, there are no new readings or discussion board assignments, just like last week. However, that being said, we'll get back on track with some new readings and a new discussion board assignment next week. If you have questions as you're working through the summary, just feel free to email me. This week, as I said, the summary essay is due, and please note your due date is Sunday, February 12th on that. So you'll want to note that. And this is the actual draft, so not the draft plan. Though you can review your draft plan, as that might help you structure your summary. And so now that we've looked at that, the next tab down is the actual assignment sheet. This is the very same one from week 3 of the semester. I just put it in this week's folder to help you out. But notice the criteria, and I just want to point out a few things here. Well, let me go back up here and get that set so that we can note that. Okay, so needs to be 2 to 3 pages long, so please note that. Note the guidelines too, 12-point Times New Roman font, double spaced with 1-inch margins. Make sure you pay close attention to grammar, mechanics, punctuation, and spelling. And again, on this sheet, it's important to note the due date. We've already talked about Sunday, February 12th. Okay. So once you get it typed up and you have it saved just as you did with the draft plan, there's a submission forum down here. You're just going to click on it. And again, it'll walk you through the criteria. And so what you want to do is just use Browse My Computer, and that will allow you to attach your file, which you should see attached just down below that. The comment box is just if there's something you want me to know, you can type that in the comment box and then hit submit. That's pretty much it, guys. So the essays on the agenda. We're going to be talking next week about once the grading starts to come in on these. Give me just a little bit of time, because it'll take me a little bit of time just to review those and give you the adequate score that you've earned on those. But once I get them scored, we'll talk a little bit about the way that drafting is going to work in the class. Basically, you're going to have one rewrite opportunity to use on any of the 3 out-of-class essays that you're going to be writing this semester. But we'll talk more about that next week. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, just feel free to email me. But yeah, good luck this week.